Hi viewers, I am Vipin and I do have my two partners, that is Vaibhav Tyagi and Shiv Kumar Kushwaha, and we are from ABS IT, that is in Ghaziabad, and we do have our final year project that is named as Ashiana. That basically means shelter. So we have been planning to make a project that is completely based on providing shelter to the orphans in our society. And this project is completely based under the guidance of Professor Jaya Shukla. And moving forward, so that is the problem statement. So basically, we have been planning to provide shelter and proper habitat to the orphans that are around us and that are not capable of getting the correct guidance and in their development as well. As we have seen, there are multiple orphans and orphan NGOs that are not capable of providing such shelter and all the facilities to the orphans. So our app is basically based on providing the shelter and providing them useful needy help in case of their development. And moving forward, the main objective of our application is to provide the basic facilities to the students or the orphans that are not capable of studying, and to provide shelter and making them a useful member of the society. And as we have seen walking around, we see multiple orphans that are incapable of getting proper informatory goods or needs that they are wanting. So our app is completely helping them with providing the information to the various NGOs as well as the government organizations that are working for the welfare of the orphans. Moving forward, so the basic abstract is only the helping all the orphans that are uh, child or that are child or anyone. So the main motto of our project is to protect the child from harassment and violence that they are facing in the current environment, and also from their sexual abuse or exploitation due to lack of care and protection. And moreover, the organization, the project proposal, in order to ensure that the opinions, suggestions, and views of the stakeholders at different levels were taken into consideration, and to provide them a valuable study for their welfare moving forward. So there are multiple features that we are having in our project. So basically the home, in which having the layout of all the facilities, and there is a login and sign up button so that we can identify whether whether the person who is trying to log into our application is an authorized signatory or anyone with any information is faking with us. After that, we do have a registration page in which if anyone wants to enter to the website, then he or she might be registering herself or himself. After that, view records option. So we do have an option in which we can view the records as well. And in case of if anyone wants to contact us, then they can also contact us from there. And if anyone wants to donate some money or anything, then they can reach out to our website and donate some amount with entering their name, entering their proper details. So we will be reaching to them for the fund as well as the goods that they are wanting to provide to the orphans or the needy people. After that, we do have a backup and recovery mode that is completely based on the backend work. And after that, we do have a monthly report that about how much work is then done and how much or how many orphans are being registered. And we have got the information regarding them. Moving forward, it is the complete working of our project, that is the proposed working. So any user and admin can start and then create any record that is updated into the database, and that record, if or he or she wants to update, that can also be updated. And if she or he can want to search the data, then he can also search from that. And even after saving the data, the complete data of the orphan or any child is completely stored in our database, and we do have options for moving forward those data to the NGOs and the government organization and all the people that are working for the welfare of the orphans as well as the needies. Yeah, so that is the basic and complete working of the project. After that, moving forward, there are multiple challenges that we have been facing, like the hospitality is being provided with the funds, but we are facing challenges in collecting the funds as well, and help a certain number of orphans so that our target, that is no one can live with a bad nutrition and a bad habitat. So we'll be planning, and also we will be communicating with the various NGOs. That is also a challenging part for us. Yeah, so these are some of the challenges that our project has been facing. And after that, that is the complete data flow diagram, in which I already explained that it will go into the login page. After that, it will move forward to the dashboard. After that, if someone want to register a new orphan, then he or she can register a new orphan. After that, saving, we will get the information. After that, we will be providing the information to the NGOs or the government organizations and the various welfare funds then that are helping for the welfare of those after their IDs, and they have been moving forward for their betterment as well as, yeah. So that is the complete data flow diagram of the project. Yeah, so these are some of the results that our website will be looking. So as we can see, there is a logo, and that is the homepage of our website. And moving forward, these are some of the snapshots of our working website that is complete, that is now based on a local host. This is the home page. After that, that is the contact us page, in which if someone wants to contact us, then he or she can contact us filling the form. And after that, we do have our login or sign up page, that is the registration page, so that we will be knowing that whether it is a authorized signatory or not. After that, that is the showcase, that if someone wants to donate or enter some of the details of anyone, then he or she can enter from here, and we will be getting the information saved into our database.
Thank you, Vipin. Hello, everyone. This is Shiv Kumar Silva. As Vipin has already told you about the project, I'll be continuing with the presentation with the technicalities. We have used Apache server to locally host our website. This is how it looks like. We we have kept the website as simple as possible. We have the footer, including the logo, home section, about, contact, and the account section. We have two pages. If you want to help others, you can go in this section. We have used HTML and CSS, and I have used some of the hover effects on the pages. And we have other sections like if you want to donate, or if you find someone who needs help, then you can tell to the nearest NGOs or the orphanages. Or if you want to adopt someone, you can go on this page. And then we have the footer. So let's have a look on few of the pages. This is our contact page where you can fill in the details like your name, last name, email address, phone number, and you can leave the message for us if you have some feedback or the suggestion. Then we have the account section where you can create the account or you can register to our website. Let's have look at few of the pages, but if you want to help others, then you can fill some of the details, your address, and tell the details about someone who needs help, and the nearest NGO will contact you as soon as possible. And then let's have a look at few of the directories. So here are the assets. I have used some of the Bootstrap. This is the CSS folder which contains the designing part, coding part. We'll have a look on coding. And this is the font part we have used in the website, and the JS folder contains the JavaScript pages. Then we have CSS, font, icon, images. This is the logo and These are the images we have used in our website. Then we have these pages. So let's have a look at code. This is the first page of the website, the index page, containing all the details like home, about, contact, and account. And this is the code for the footer. This is the main body of the website, and this is the header. The next we have account page, where user can create accounts, register or login to our website. I've used HTML and CSS and JavaScript for the front end and PHP for the back end. This is our configuration page, which connects the database to the front end. And then we have contact page, where user can enter details such as name, email address, phone number, or message. And to the CSS part, including the designing. And this is the registration page, where user can register to our website. And for database, we have been using MyPHP and queries in MySQL. This is the Apache server we are using to locally host the website. That's all about the technicalities, and Weber will continue further with the conclusion and the future scope of the project.
Thank you, Shivkumar Kushwaha, for your valuable time. Myself, Vaib Tyagi. Now, moving forward to the next topic, it is the challenges. The major challenges of our project are to provide good hospitality even without raising many funds, to help a certain number of orphans every month, to influence more and more people to visit our website, to increase the funds, to ensure the privacy and security of the authorized users, to stabilize the proper communication and understanding between the NGOs and our platform. Now, moving forward, next topic is future work. In future, we can also make our application a real-time application, even by entering just basic details like name, location, gender of the orphan child, and so that anyone can easily reach to that child. And we can also be used these features to find the nearby orphanages in future. Overall, the Asiana application will be a blessing for each and every orphan. Moving forward, next topic is advantages. Our system will help many orphan childs. Many child will get opportunity of health, education, and many other basic facilities. Orphan children will get adopted from the people who want to adopt children. And the last one, children will get a new and joyful life. And at last, thank you.